Hey everyone! So the reading reflection paper is due this week, so I wanted to review it in a bit more detail in order to provide more specifics about my expectations. The paper will be a reflection of the week one article by Russell, Gill, Coyne, and Woody. The paper is divided into three sections. The first will be the summary. Here, I just want you to describe the important points made within the article. You should be summarizing the points, but be careful about being too brief and missing important factors. Then for the second part, you'll be describing your own reaction to the article. You can list some agreement and or disagreements or both with the content here, but be sure to describe your viewpoint and why this is your reaction to it. Just make sure that you don't just state your reaction, but you go into detail about where that might come from. Then finally, we have the reflection section. Here you'll be looking at the article in more of a macro view, I guess you could say, and identifying any implications, whether positive or negative, you might see for social work education and or work with clients. You might even provide some ideas of what could be changed or added to education within this section. I really do think that this is an important article to reflect on, as all of our experiences may bring out positive and or negative impact to the work that we do within all of the helping professions, really. I hope this really allows you to gain more insight into yourselves personally as well as professionally. So here you'll find the rubric. As you can see, each section is important and graded pretty evenly. Make sure you use appropriate APA format in terms of both organization of the paper and headings, as well as the citations and the reference page as well. For information about formatting and citations, you can look at the APA manual or the Purdue OWL website. The Purdue OWL website is pretty user-friendly, and there's all different kinds of sections about formatting and citations. And as usual, reach out with any questions, and I really do look forward to reading your papers.